Hi folks, how are you today? I hope you're having a great day. This morning, one of my customers contacted me and wanted to know how to get the metal out of her diamond resin strop. And it's really a common question, and we've come up with a solution here. We call it our Nano Groomer. And it's basically a little tiny sharpening stone, and you just use it to grind away the metal from the surface of your diamond resin stones, even your ceramic stones, whole plethora of uses. You can put it on rust on the face of a knife that's got a little spot of rust there, and you can grind away and clean up that little rust spot. You might want to use the finer grits for that. We have a whole range of grits from 1 micron all the way up to 200 micron. So it's a real versatile product. I'll show you how it works. Just squirt a little water up on top of it and take the block and just grind away at the metal in the surface of the stone. And you'll see it just, starts disappearing. Just like that. And just wiping. You can see it didn't quite get all of it. It's still got a little touch of it left in there. But a little more grinding, it'll all go away. So it's a very practical little tool. A lot of different uses. I even sharpen, in a pinch, I'll sharpen a pocket knife with it. So I'm kind of excited about this one. I hope that answers your questions, and look forward to bringing you some more information next week. Peace and good sharpening.